In this video, you will learn how to prepare the RNA and plate for the RT reaction step. To calculate the concentrations needed from each RNA sample, open the RT reaction spreadsheet in the cDNA folder in the ThermoBrush experiment folder. In the RNA concentration column, enter the average of the concentrations from all nanodrop measurements. The spreadsheet will calculate the needed amount of RNA and Moby water for each sample. Take out a fast reaction tube for each sample and place them in a black Veriflex tray set into a blue base. The blue base will prevent the tubes from being crushed. Now, label the top of each tube. Obtain your RNA samples from the freezer. To speed up the thawing process, you can roll the samples between your hands. When they have thawed, vortex the sample on high speed for a few seconds, and then centrifuge briefly to remove excess sample from the lid. Set the black plate on ice. Now, following the spreadsheet guidelines, pipette the necessary amount of the larger volume. This is usually Moby water, for all samples. Then, pipette the necessary amount of RNA into each sample. When you are done with the RNA, return it to the freezer in case you need to come back and redo the experiment. Take the previously prepared master mix and vortex it on high speed for a few seconds. Then, after it is properly mixed, tap it on the table to make sure none is on the lid. Now, pipette 10 microliters of the master mix into each sample tube. If you do not touch the walls or the sample of the tubes, you can use the same pipette for all samples. When you are done pipetting, vortex each tube and then centrifuge. Snap the tube securely into the center of the black Veriflex tray to ensure even temperature distribution. The black tray will go directly into the thermocycler. Keep the samples on ice while you set up the software to run the RT reaction step. Please watch the next video to learn about the equipment and software setup for the RT reaction step.